Hello. In this short tutorial, we will show you how to create your own AI assistant step by step. First, on the main page, go to the top right corner and click Dashboard. Then, from the left-hand menu, select Assistants. Click Create Assistant. Here, you will need to assign a name to your assistant. You can also choose one of our templates or simply continue with Custom Template. You will be able to edit these instructions later for your assistant. Finally, click Create Assistant. Now, in this section, you will see all the configuration options for your AI assistant. You can assign an avatar that will be visible to users who interact with it. You can also choose the AI model your assistant will use. This will depend on the type of the responses you want, the processing speed, and the type of tasks it will perform, allowing you to adapt the assistant exactly to your business needs. You can try all of them while you are testing on the playground, and then decide which one fits better with your needs. Instructions. If you selected a template when creating your assistant, you will see those instructions here. If you selected Custom, this section will appear with the basics. These instructions can be edited as many times as you want. Write them in natural language. You can give your assistant a personality, define how it should greet or say goodbye to customers, explain what to do in specific situations, and much more. Take your time. This section is crucial for the experience you want to achieve. Conversation flow. You can leave this section with the default configuration or customize it. Here you can choose whether a conversation closes or remains open after each interaction. Add up to 5 quick messages that users can select to start a conversation. The available options may depend on the channel, such as web, app, or messaging platforms you are using the assistant on. Set a welcome banner with a static message that appears each time a user starts a new chat. You can see the changes in real time on the right side. This is your playground. Finally, you can also configure conversations to be private and automatically deleted after 24 hours. Tools and capabilities. In this section, you can enable Memory, allows your AI assistant to remember important customer information. Transfer to Human, transfers the conversation to a human agent when needed. Spam Protection, activates filters to block users with inappropriate behavior. Knowledge. In this tab, you can upload a knowledge base with information about your business, such as service pricing, products, manuals, policies, and more. You can upload files, enter information manually, add your business website URL. You can configure whether the assistant should read only that page or also its subpages. Your AI assistant will analyze all available information and use it to respond to customers when needed. Please note, once you index knowledge here, it will consume credits from your account. If you plan to upload many files or create multiple assistants, you can use the option Restricted Limit to a specific set of documents. This allows you to choose which documents each assistant can access, so each one can specialize in a different topic. Channels. In this tab, you can connect your applications. For example, if you use WhatsApp Business or Facebook Messenger, when a user sends a message through those channels, your AI assistant will reply automatically, and you will be able to see those messages in the inbox section. Actions. Here you can choose from multiple options, so your AI assistant not only replies with messages, but can also schedule appointments, send emails, create records, process payments, and more. Widget. Finally, in the Widget tab, you can obtain a URL that users can use to chat directly with your AI assistant. If you have a website, you can insert a bubble button using the generated code, or embed a full chat window directly on your site. Your AI assistant is now ready to start assisting your customers intelligently and automatically.